Okay, Daniel is back fixing the guns. I don't know why he is, but I think he's gonna kill me later.
I'm gonna what?
Kill me later?
Probably.
I don't know. Should I call my dog down here?
Jesus.
Soto Badito. Should I call my dog down here?
I don't know.
Daniel, you back at it again on the floor with your socks. But this time you hit like an object instead of the ground. Dang it, Daniel! Are you crying, Daniel?
No. I'm dying.
Dang, Daniel, back with the crippling depression. You're having bad luck, Daniel. Stop being such a fireplace. Daniel, why you gotta be bad? Dang, Daniel, back in the chair. I'm good at making you laugh. Especially on vids. He's going to bed, I'm going to bed too. Wait, what'd you call them?
I called you.
Why'd you call me that? The young people watching could, like...
Screw off. Do drugs, kids.
Don't do drugs, kids. Don't listen to him.
You know.
Hey, I think you might fall again. It would be your record.
There are people, that deal in crack, weed, and cocaine, I take one of each.
But don't do it, kids, even though it might make us laugh.
Do drugs, kids.
You're bad.
Dang, Daniel. Back at it again with the good bouncing ball.
Woo! Ah! My turn! Dang it, Daniel, you made me suck horribly. You suck. Where is it? It's over there. Oh my gosh, stop making your butt go into the air. You hit the camera, people! You hate them. You're not leaving me this time. Crap! He hit me in the sack. The SAC sack. In the SACC. Oh no! Don't hurt me. Why'd you go back on the floor, Daniel? Gosh dang, Daniel, move! Grasshopper! My face hurts. My face hurts. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, everyone. I'm just trying to laugh in peace. Oh, I hate lip. Lip. I repeat, lip. Daniel, you almost hit my face. I'm going upstairs, Daniel.
Back at it again with nuts.
Daniel, I'm going upstairs if you need me.
Well, I'll beat you. Look at my epic crawling formation thing.
Which sucks.
It's not a formation. It's a way of getting around.
Dang, you farted, Daniel. Daniel's following me. Gotta get up the stairs. He's grabbing my shirt. I need to hide from Daniel. But ow! I I know how to hide from Daniel. Pretend you can't see me.